Hey, what's up guys? This is Matthew Ma here, and I just picked up the Speck Presidio Pro case for the iPhone XR. Now let's open the box. Inside the box comes with a black Speck Presidio Pro case for the iPhone XR. The Speck Presidio Pro iPhone XR case comes in a soft-touch, scratch-resistant finish with antimicrobial treatment. Designed to withstand a 10-foot drop and even allows for wireless charging. With 2 layers of protection, this case seems tough and durable. The raised bezel offers additional screen protection from scratching and shattering. I've been using Speck cases for a long time now, and they've been great for my iPhone. Setup and installation is super easy. I recommend wiping your phone first to get rid of any dust and debris. The case feels great and doesn't feel extra bulky in my pocket. Let me know in the comments below if you have tested dropping your iPhone from 10 feet. I chose a Speck Presidio Pro case as it's a slim case that offers tough protection. It also comes from a great reputable company that is known for their cases. Be sure to check out my other videos on Apple iPhone XR, including my 21 Plus tips and tricks for the iPhone XR. Question of the day: let us know in the comments below what's your favorite case for the iPhone XR. Alright, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.